We are very confident that in all the three constituencies, NPP will come out victorious. But as a party and as candidates and as leaders, we cannot take things lightly. There is no question of being overconfident. We know that the people will support us, but it is our duty to work till the last and ensure that we win with the maximum margin as possible. So we will work hard, and with the kind of support we're getting and the response we're getting from the people, I'm very sure that in all the three constituencies we'll come out with flying colours.
It's heavy anti-incumbency against NPP government. So what will be your agenda?
You see, there is the question of anti-incumbency does not arise. We have been working very hard. We have been doing a lot of developmental works. People have been seeing it. There are issues and concerns which every government has and faces. We are not saying that everything has been perfect, but if you look at the overall work that has been done in the last 3.5 years, especially with the challenge of COVID in front of us, the government has done its best that it could, and therefore we are quite confident that people will see all of that and respond in a positive manner. At the same time, the people will also look at the individual candidates who have done a lot of work. Pinyad has been a person who has been an elected representative from there, and he has done a lot for his people. Similarly, Mantri Bla has been a person who has been elected 4 times from his constituency. So people have connection with them, people have love for them, and I'm sure that their personal rapport with the people will also reflect very positively in this election, and we are sure that with their personal rapport and the support of the party, we will win all the 3 seats in the by-election.
The Congress has stated that the people of the 3 constituency will vote against lack of governance under the MDA regime. What do you have to say?
Well, it depends on which Congress is talking about it, because there seem to be 3 or 4 Congresses right now. The divided house that is there in the Congress first has to get their house in order. So really, I think the Congress does not have the luxury right now to really look at us and blame or try to point fingers at us. It's important that Congress should get their house in order first, should sort out their differences. But I don't think that will be possible. And in this election, we have already seen large differences coming out. And therefore, we are very confident that whatever they say is not going to have an impact in the sense that they are not united themselves. On the other hand, the work that we have done is for everybody to see. Therefore, we are confident that people will see all the work. In spite of the challenges we faced, people will see the work and will vote for the candidate of the NPP in this election.
Any development regarding this HNLC IED?
Yes, there has been an arrest that has been made. The police are interrogating, and further details will be given once we get the entire report after the interrogation is done. So please await that. Maybe towards later part of the evening, somebody from the government or the police department will brief you on that. But yes, one arrest has been made, and more developments are unfolding as we speak.
The electioneering is now gaining momentum. How will you ensure that the threat aspect of HNLC doesn't
have any impact?
The threat of HNLC.
You see, every threat that is there, every aspect challenge we face is important. We cannot take it lightly, but we're very sure that with the work that the agencies are doing right now, the work that the police is doing right now, we should be able to normalize the situation to large extent, and we don't expect any kind of serious threat in this situation.
Any additional security?
Absolutely. We will take all measures to ensure that all the candidates from all political parties are given enough security.
But there are also threats from the HNLC to shoot ministers of the MDA.
As you said, that the threats may be there, but the agencies are doing their work. We are ensuring that no such threat or no such incident will occur, and we are confident that all steps will be taken to ensure that all our people are protected.